Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Jolly Jaws. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off near the top and let's draw the mouth. Let's start with a large curve across. And then on both ends, let's draw another curve like this. And then a larger curve underneath. Now let's hop inside and let's draw the teeth. In the center, let's draw 2 angles down. And then curve it up on both sides. Then another curve down. And then curve it back up to the top. And now underneath on both sides, let's draw one more small curve down. And now let's color both of the side sections in black. And that's it for the mouth. Next, let's hop on top and let's draw the nose. Let's start with 2 curves coming down, forming a pointed shape. And now on top of the nose, let's add the eyes. Let's start on top in the center and let's draw 2 curves going up. And then we're going to draw an S-shaped curve up and out on top of both sides. And then a larger curve underneath back into the side of the nose. Now let's hop inside each of the eyes and let's draw an oval shaped curve up at the bottom. And now let's color both of the eyes in black. And that's it for the face. Now let's move out and let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start next to the eyes and let's draw a curve up and around the top of the mouth. And the same on the right side. And then connect them at the bottom with a curve for the chin. Now let's move back up to the top and let's draw a curve out and angle it down on both sides, leaving a gap in the center. Then on top, let's draw 2 curves coming up to a point. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Let's start underneath the head on the left and let's draw a curve going out and then curve it back in underneath. And the same on the right side. Now let's move inside and let's draw a circle that's a little bit higher towards the top. And then another circle inside in the center. And 2 stripes inside this one. Now let's draw an X shape behind the circle. Let's draw a diagonal line from the top and then continue it below. And the same thing going the opposite way. Now let's hop underneath the chin and let's draw 2 lines down. And now let's continue them below all the way down to the bottom of the body. Next, let's draw the patch on the belly. Let's start near the top and let's draw a curve out and then bring it down. and the same on the right side. And that's it for the torso. Now let's move out and draw the arms. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a curve up and then angle it out. And the same on the other side. And now let's curve it in at the bottom. And lastly, for the arms, let's draw another curve inside near the bottom. Next, let's hop down and draw the legs. Let's start with 2 lines down underneath. And then hop out and let's angle it out for the outside of the legs. And then close off the bottoms with the curve across. Now let's hop inside each of the legs and let's draw another curve near the bottom. Now that we're done the main part of the body, let's move over and let's draw the tail on the left side. Let's start at the top of the left leg and let's draw a curve out and up. And then another curve on top starting from the arm. Now from the top line, let's curve it up and out. Then a small curve down and a V-shaped notch in. And then let's curve it down, stopping here. Now to finish off the tail, let's curve it out and back in. And that's it for Jolly Jaws. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!